My fellow investors, fellow Jamaicans, a quick bit of news that just came across my radar today. And for those who have not heard it, here it is. Significant news is shaking up the Jamaican business landscape today, as a major leadership change has been announced at one of the island's largest distribution companies. John De Silva, the managing director of Lasco Distributors Limited, has officially resigned from his post after leading the company for 5 years. The announcement came through a disclosure to the Jamaica Stock Exchange, confirming that De Silva will formally depart on March 13, 2026. This move marks the end of a notable chapter for the Trinidadian executive, who first joined the Lasco Group back in March 2021, following a long international career with giants like Nestle and Unilever. Now, during his tenure, De Silva was a key driver in expanding the company's reach, particularly in the healthcare and export sectors. Under his leadership, Lasco Distributors secured major deals, including becoming the sole distributor for Unilever in Jamaica and aggressively pushing local brands like iCool and Lasco Food Drink into international markets. The board of directors has already accepted the resignation, although no specific reason for the departure was provided in the official statement. This transition is part of a broader wave of executive shifts within the Lasco group of companies over the past year. Now I know that there's going to be a lot of speculation as to why he left, but in the absence of an official explanation, such departures are often attributed to the end of a contract term, a desire to pursue new professional opportunities, or a planned leadership transition within the group. Hey, it is what it is. To ensure a smooth handover, the board has resolved that Executive Chairman James Rawle will step in to take over De Silva's functions and responsibility. Rawle is a veteran of the group and previously held the reins of the company prior to De Silva's appointment in 2021. Investors will be watching closely to see how this leadership change impacts the company's stock performance and its ongoing $1.7 billion expansion projects. For now, the focus remains on the transition, as one of Jamaica's most essential distribution hubs prepare for a new era of management. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe to get more content like this. Click the link on screen now to watch another Jamaican financial content. Catch you in the next one.